Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Arknights Endfield illegal software detected error.
Fix 1. Close background apps, overlays, and tools. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Close apps like MSI, Afterburner, Riva Tuner, Cheat Engine, Auto Hotkey, Reshade. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 2. Disable overlays. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Go to Settings in-game. Step 3. Turn off Steam overlay. Step 4. Disable Discord/NVIDIA overlay if enabled. Fix 3. Run game as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Arknights Endfield shortcut. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam library. Step 2. Right-click Arknights Endfield properties. Step 3. Go to installed files. Step 4. Click Verify integrity of game files.